Hello, my name is Henning Jørgensen. I'm professor and research manager at the University College of Northern Jutland, and together with Michael Schulze, who is professor at the University of Applied Labor Studies in Germany, we've been editing this book called Unemployment and Activation Policies in Europe and the US. This is an up-to-date account about what is actually happening in activation policies in Western Europe and the United States. And this is a way of coming up to date with what has been happening during and after the COVID-19 pandemic, because a lot of things has happened during these years. We are now witnessing a new phase of activation policies taking place in most places. This means that activation is here to stay as a type of policy, and renewal is a way of saying that it will not be the same way of having a coercive activation implemented. Now we also see that more investment in unemployed people is taking place at more places, not in the Anglo-Saxon world perhaps not also in Denmark, but in other European countries, we see this development taking place. Finally, I would say that there will be no convergence as to activation policies. We will still have national editions of policies. And that's why we have compiled this book with scholars, experts from Western Europe and the United States, because we will have national accounts about what is happening. National states are still developing their own way of conducting activation, and how to analyze and how to assess those developments, this is also included in this edited volume. So I hope that you will have a look into it and we can see each other on the pages. Thank you.